We're doing the real Cancun today. Okay, we're in Cancun, 24-hour layover, so we went for a little breakfast. We're gonna go for the real Cancun today, just walk around, try and see what the locals eat, street food, whatever all these people that service all these tourists eat. So I'm gonna start with a little Sopa de Limón, which is a local kind of citrus soup using a local citrus here, and then a plate of cojita pibil, so obviously the classic slow-cooked pork and chiote paste. Here we go. And they have like a... Really? Yeah, it's like a special citrus. It's kind of like a lime, but less acidic. And then you put this stuff in. I have a really good... I have a good streak of eating boiling hot soup on hot days in this country. Gracias. Wow. Cochinita Pibil. Papadzules. Yum. So this is slow cooked pork with the chiote paste, and this is pumpkin seed mole on huevos stuffed enchiladas and some pickled onions. Okay, it's 9:30 in the morning, already sweltering. That's Sopa de Limón. So it has a local fruit that's like a lemon or a lime, or it's like a lime, but it's a little bit less acidic. And we also had some Cochinita Pibil, which is slow cooked pork and chiote paste. And then there was also a smothered kind of pumpkin seed mole covered egg dish called papadzules, something like that. I'm bad with the pronunciations, but trying to find some Yucatan food here. So we'll keep walking around, see what we find. Okay, we're at Mercado 23, which is sort of supposed to be like a little local food souvenir market. Maybe I can get a 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor shirt. This is for Sopa de Lima. Okay. Thank you. Gracias. So there it is, the Lima for Sopa de Lima. Cool. Looks like a lime or lemon.
Uno en cada platito, los dos juntos.
Platito, yeah. Gracias.
Chile?
Yep, gracias. This is nopales? Yeah.
Nopales, yes.
Cool. So mayonnaise, cojita, corn. Ah, okay. Off the cob. Thank you. What do you recommend on it? This stuff?
Sí, pica.
Pica? Okay. It's like chili?
Sí.
Anything else? It's good? Thank you. Gracias. So that's some xiote. He's cutting it up right now. Basically slow cooked lamb in a pouch. I think it's normally used like a cactus membrane, but this place is super known for their mixtiote. He's grabbing hot sacks of like burning liquid, and then he clips them. He's got the pressure cooker fire, and so it's slow cooked chunks of lamb. Looks like a fiery red chili sauce since 1950. Looking good. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. He gave me a bag and it looks like a burning liquid soup thing, but we'll try and make this work. They don't totally understand takeout in this country. Like, they give you this bag of wobbly broth and tacos. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with it. Some mystery meat in a taco. I don't really know what it is, but it's unbelievable. This taco's got fresh fried pepper, stuffed pepper, and crispy fresh shrimp. Yum. It's all the fresh fly, nothing under the heat lamp. Gracias. Delicious. Gracias. Pickled peppers? Yep. Pickled onions, yep. Pico de gallo? Salsa verde? And some cabbage? And some limon. Gracias. Have a bite, George. Barbacoa for lunch. Beautiful shrimp tacos for dinner. What a country. What a country. That's a massive taco.